the world just got a lot more tensed, and let me tell you, it's all about missiles. Russian President Mr. Vladimir Putin has sent a fiery warning straight to none other than Mr. Donald Trump and the United States, saying that if Washington goes ahead and gives Ukraine the long-range missiles, well, he was talking about Tomahawk specifically, it could destroy relationship between the two superpowers once and for all. Now, what's the big deal about this Tomahawks? Let me tell you. These are the powerful US-made cruise missiles that can travel more than 1,000 miles and hit targets deep inside enemy territory, fast, precise and deadly. So if Ukraine gets them, it would mean that Kyiv could strike deep inside Russian territory, something that Moscow sees as a direct attack. Now for Putin, it's not just crossing a red line, it's erasing it completely. Putin calls this a new stage of escalation, suggesting that Russia might respond militarily if the US actually goes ahead with this particular plan. Russian officials are already hinting that such a move could force Moscow to rethink its entire relationship with Washington, possibly even cut off diplomatic ties and deploy new weapon system closer to NATO borders. In the meantime, Donald Trump, the man who claimed that he could make peace with Putin in 24 hours, is now publicly frustrated. Well, reports suggest that he wanted Moscow to show some flexibility for peace talks with Ukraine. But Russia has made it very clear that it is not backing down until its goals are met. Now, inside Washington, debates are heating up. These are the debates. Should the US risk provoking Russia further or give Ukraine the firepower that it needs to push back? Well, experts say that this moment could reshape the entire war. Now, if these missiles enter the battlefield, it might turn the Ukraine conflict into a direct US-Russia confrontation, something that the world has feared since the Cold War. Putin seems to be warning that every single action will have a reaction. And this time the reaction might be far bigger than anybody can ever expect. So basically, what started as an arms discussion is now turning into a high-stakes geopolitical showdown. One wrong move and the balance between peace and total chaos could crumble overnight.